Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm preparing some spinach and I did serve it with some brown rice. You can use some bread. So go right ahead, subscribe, press that notification bell, and let's get started. I have some spinach here that I did wash and I'm gonna cut them up very small. When you're done, they must look like this. They do not take long to cook, guys. This recipe just cooked for about 5 to 6 minutes. And this is how small I did cut it up, just like this. So I have some ingredients here, and you can use any type of seasonings here to season your pot. So over medium heat, I add a pan with some oil. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my chopped garlic and toss this around just for a few seconds. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my chopped onions. And at this time, you can use red onions, you can use the sweet onions, and you can also use as much onions as you want into yours. I'm going to also toss this around. And this just take about 2 minutes, all right? Now I'm going to add my chopped spinach. We call it poi or thick leaf callaloo in Guyana, guys. All right, all boils down to be spinach. And I don't know if it is because I grow my own spinach or if it's maybe the freshness in it, but what I do know is that it just tastes better than the store-bought spinach. And this recipe do not need the frozen spinach. Okay, so cover the pot for about 2 minutes. Then after 2 minutes, give it a nice little stir, then season the pot. Here I'm using complete seasoning, paprika. I'm also using dried thyme and dried parsley along with vegetable cubes. You can use fresh seasonings like your chives, your celery, whatever you want into yours. Once you finish putting it into there, just give it a nice little stir again. And that is how it goes, guys. It does not take long to cook. And you'll be surprised to know the different types of spinach that they have that can be grown in the garden, guys. And although this fresh spinach is good by itself, it's even just as tasty as cooked. So I hope that you find this recipe as easy as ever. Okay, so give it a try. Cover this pot again and let this cook down again for another 2 minutes. Then I'm going to give it a nice little stir. After I stir it, I'm going to drop 2 little weary pepper into the pot. Then I'm going to turn the heat off, cover the pot, and let it sit for 5 minutes before I serve. So once I finish cooking, guys, I'm going to serve my spinach. I did make some fried saltfish, but you can use it with some shrimp or even fried fish, whatever you want, chicken or anything. So here you have it, guys, finished. I'm going to leave the link for this saltfish in the description box below. I did serve with some brown rice. And there you have it, guys. Give it a try. It's tasty, it's healthy, my own homegrown callaloo or spinach. So enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video.